like to say, successful entrepreneurs master the mundane. Again, the stuff you don't like necessarily posting to social media 3 times a day, doing all the kind of things you have to do. But you master the mundane tasks and you treat them just as importantly as the big tasks. Because
Yes,
how you do
Martin.
one thing is how you do everything.
It's so key. We have a lot of things that we love, but those other things we don't like quite so much still need to get done. Now, sometimes that's where we should look at outsourcing.
That's right. We have outsourcing services, of course, but one of the things that you can do as well in these days is leverage AI. Now, everybody's heard about Chat GPT and Dalle and these various tools, but are you using them to your advantage? One of the key things you can do with Chat GPT is summarize things. Monetize your story. Design your future.